Good morning, students. This second topic of electrostatic potential and capacitance. Electric potential, electrostatic potential, same one. Maybe said number is electric potential. V. Capital V is a symbol taken out of the scientist name volt. I'll just revise the point for this. Electrostatic potential is nothing but defined as the work done to move unit positive charge. Work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to the given point in the electric field. So Q0 is moved from infinity to the given point in the electric field. For this charge called as a source charge, electric field is around it up to infinity. Infinity only electric field is not there. So up to infinity electric field is there, but except infinity. At infinity we imagine that anything other charges there means there is an infinity everything. And you are bringing this Q0 from infinity, but Q0 is equals to plus 1 coulomb if you are taking for definition purpose. So this is equals to plus 1 coulomb. In Q0 is equals to plus 1 coulomb if you are bringing from infinity called unit positive charge. Then whatever work you are doing to bring this to this place, to this point, in this electric field of the source charge, the W work itself is nothing but equal to potential. Potential is nothing but a work done when the charge mode is 1 coulomb. Okay. But charge mode is not 1 coulomb, it can be any other charge, other value also. So when you are taking not other value, then you take the potential. Other than 1 volt if you are taking 1 coulomb if you are taking, then potential is nothing but equal to W by Q0 you are taking. And this charge, source charge will not be positive, it can be negative also. Source charge can be positive or negative. The definition purpose we imagine like this. And derivation also expression we imagine this as a positive charge, and this also positive charge we imagine only for definition and derivations. Other cases we can take this will be plus minus anything. And electric field is away from the positive charge, it is in this direction. That means this is also plus. We are moving this against the repulsion force to the separation arm. Then whatever work is done is nothing but equal to work done itself is the potential at this place. But if Q0 is not 1 coulomb, then also in that case this V is nothing but W by Q0. So whatever work is done, work is nothing but equal to V into Q0 or Q0 into V we can take as a work done. Whatever work you are doing to bring this charge from infinity to put it here, the energy you are spending is stored as potential energy in this charge. That energy stored is nothing but equal to potential energy, which is numerically equal to work itself. So work itself is nothing but equal to potential energy, is nothing but equal to potential energy, symbol is U. Be careful by writing the symbols U and V, capital U, it is not small v, small u and capital V are the symbols you have to use. Careful by writing the symbols U and V. This is nothing but equal to potential energy. Potential energy of the object is equal to water to bring the charge to a given point from the infinity. Single point we are working here. When talking about a single point, potential energy itself is nothing but equal to Q0 into V. At a single point means 1 point in electric fields. Potential energy. Better not use PE. Generally symbol means kinetic energy symbol K dot P and potential energy symbol P dot E. Don't use P dot E because we are going to get this P and diagonal these expressions later. So for electrostatic topics specifically, don't use potential energy symbol as P. Kinetic energy symbol you can use. You have tried in full words only. Or what you can write energy. Potential energy. U is equals to work, which is nothing but equal to Q0 into V. This at single points. At a given point, this is the value. And units of the energy, work will be joules. Yes, units will be joules. Other units, if you want to know, volt, coulomb, volt. Equivalent units are important for the competitive exams. So, in the previous class, we stopped at potential energy. At this point, potential energy U, capital U, is nothing but equal to Q0 into V. In the next week, they don't give Q0, they will give it as Q only, I am giving it as Q0. Okay. So I am source charge symbol, I am giving capital Q, but they may give Q, capital. This is also small q may give. This will be, then if they give this small q, this will be Q2, Q prime like this different symbol. Or we can take it as Q1 and Q2 like this. Units of the potential energy is joule. Other units 1 joule equal to 1 coulomb into 1 volt. 1 coulomb into 1 volt. That means means it's same as what definition we are taking before. 1 volt equal to 1 volt is nothing but equal to 1 coulomb by 1 joule by 1 coulomb. So what that is equal to potential energy. So it is also equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. Cross multiplication we get the expression for 1 volt. Next is potential difference. Potential difference. Its symbols we may take potential difference as P dot D also potential difference, or can be taken as a delta V symbols or dV. These are the symbols used generally, or we can also use the symbol P dot D. P dot D indicates a potential difference. Short form. dV is a differential form. Delta V or dV means what? V2 minus V1, final minus initial. The definition they don't ask you, but they will ask the limits of this and they are going to implement and apply potential difference. It is the work done to move unit positive charge from one point to other point, one point to other point in electric field. Previously what we have done is potential defined as previously potential is equals to W by Q naught. So here in this case we are bringing the charge from infinity to the given point of the electric field. But here potential difference, what is difference means difference of the two, one subtracted one from the other. Potential difference if you are taking is delta V is equals to delta W by Q naught. It is a work done to move the charge from one point to other point in the electric field. Previously we are bringing from infinity. Infinity there was no electric field. Now we are moving from one point to other point within the electric field itself, not from infinity. Then that work done itself is nothing but equal to work done itself is potential difference with the charge you are moving is 1 coulomb from one point to other point. So if you take this as a source charge, around this source charge we have the electric field. For example, I have taken the positive source charge and a distance equal to r. I will take r1. I will take the point it is here. It is say A. Here R A point A, and here it is this is A. The distance from here to here is R A. Okay, single point. Single point you take means we call it as a potential. And bring the charge from infinity to this point. Whatever work I am bringing, work done to bring the charge Q naught equal to plus 1 coulomb is stored as energy here, and we call it as a potential. When charge is 1 coulomb, we call it as potential. So potential A is VA. It is a distance equal to RA from source charge. And I am moving this Q naught now from here to here, not from infinity again. We are moving from A to B. So whatever the potential is here is supposed to be B. Single point you are taking means only B should take, we can compare with the infinity point. But we are moving from only one point to another point within the electric field. The difference of potentials is called the potential difference. It is nothing but also can be said as difference in the potentials between the 2 points in the electric field. So I am moving from A to B. I can move from B to A also. From here to here the distance is nothing but equal to RB. Okay, and distance is going to be RB. This RA. RA minus RB is the distance I am moving. We write it as a delta R. Okay, distance moved is delta R. And the potential difference means you are moving from A to B. Then this is going to be final. This is going to be initial. Then final minus initial data. Always the potential difference means VB minus VA. If I am moving from A to B, so I will put it like this. This is the displacement moved. If I am moving from B to A is final. So VA minus VB. Always take the final minus initial. So potential difference is the work done to move unit positive charge. This is for definition purpose. Unit positive charge from one point to other point inside electric fields or within electric fields. We can also say that it is the difference of potentials between 2 points in electric fields. It is the difference of potential between 2 points, the electric field. There is a source charge which provides electric field, and here I will take the points VA, this is VB. I am moving from VA to VB. What I am doing is electric field is right side, away from it. Here the charge movement is Q naught equal to plus 1 to for the efficient particles. I am moving from A to B. If Q naught is moving from A to B, and B is final, A is initial. I can also write sometimes into the given as B of V I of. But right now only B. So potential difference. Delta is equals to work done, that means delta W by Q naught, which is also equal to delta V means V final minus V initial is delta W work done by Q naught. If Q naught equal to plus 1 coulomb, then delta V is equals to 1 coulomb. It is V2 minus V. We can also take V final minus V initial. We can take V2 minus V1, VA minus V2 like that. Delta V is nothing but equal to delta V. Work done. What is charge movement? Is the direction of the electric field. And potential difference, only difference value. So result is potential means single point, potential difference means 2 points. Single point means you have to compare with the infinity. So if in case you have taken this as a potential only, potential difference, potential becomes when this condition is initial value will be at infinity. At infinity potential is 0. There is no electric field, no work done. So at infinity this will be 0. So final value becomes equal to B. That is not single point. Right now it's not equal. Again, after derivation, we also with the examples. Next one is electric potential and potential difference or electrostatic potential. That is B and potential difference. And potential difference delta have same limits, same SI limits, same limits also limits. What is that? Volt. Symbol is B. Potential symbol is also B. Unit symbol is also B. Careful with that. Have same SI limits volt and same dimension formula. Same dimension formula. What is the dimension formula? We are delta V into take V is equals to W by Q naught. Work is nothing but equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. What dimension formula you need to know directly? Ml square T minus 2 by charge. There is one coulomb or any whatever the value. Any other value, coulomb means current in terms of the current you take I equal to Q by T, Q equal to I into T or A into T we can. T take to the numerator, take to the power minus 3, I minus 1. This is going to be ml square T minus 3, I minus 1. You can also use the relationship ml square T minus 3, A minus 1. So I write that top Limit formula of V or potential difference delta is equals to ml square T minus 3 A minus 1 or ml square T minus 3 or don't write both the, you prefer this image not concept I and A, both type of formulas and the examination units and that is formula important for 1 mark question for PE theory exams. And differential form. Of potential difference is dV equal to dW by q or work done to move the charge q naught from one point to other point. dW equal to q naught into dV. You can take out where out d is you represent the delta. dW equal to q naught into dV. What if there is no potential difference? Potential is same at two places. You are going the potential, whether it is voltage. You are going the potential charge q naught from point where the potential is 10 volt to other point where the potential is 10 volts. So dV or delta V means what? V2 minus V1. That becomes equal to 0 if potential V equal to constant, then delta V equal to V final minus V initial is 0 is equals to V minus V equal to constant. This becomes equal to 0. Therefore, what have we worked done? Therefore, dW, this is also the differential form. Differential form is required when you are going for integration. But otherwise, you can take only delta terms. Okay, here we have the d replaceable. dV equal to 0. Potential difference is 0 if potential is constant. Then what is the water becomes equal to dW equal to q0 into delta. Delta equal to both sides of the delta becomes equal to 0. So what is also about this point again we will discuss later. It's important for one more question. V equal to constant is called as a equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. Potential is same on the surface. It's called as equipotential surface. For example, on this board potential is same. Potential is same means I am bringing the charge from infinity to the board. Anywhere on the board, distance from infinity is same. So potential here is 10 volts, means it also 10 volts, it also 10 volts, it also like this one. Everywhere voltage is 10 volts. Potential is 10 volts. I am moving q0 from one point to other point on the board only. So what I have to do? Nothing but because potential is same means V is same or dV is same or delta V is same. In that case, what happens is becomes equal to 0. When this is 0, that is also 0. So what I have to do the charge on the surface where V is constant is 0. What need not be done. But if the V is not constant, then delta V is not 0 or dV is not 0. In that case, what need to be done? Then that is what delta equal to q naught into delta. This is a differential form. This is required for the integration purposes like the problems of circuit. And derivation also we require the definition forms. And potential and potential difference. More point. Potential and potential difference are scalar. Both are scalar. Potential. Potential due to isolated point charge. The derivation is. And it is important for 3 marks. Very important. Consider an isolated point charge plus q in space. And and V is the potential you have derived at a point expressed from potential V can be derived at a point at distance r from the source charge. So this is a source charge. Point charge is particular to source charge. Let P is potential, electric potential or electrostatic potential. Potential at distance r from source charge. Yes. The textbook goes symbol P. Any point symbol P is given, better not take that point P because P is confused with the dipole moment. So when there is a dipole moment, P also comes there. But so careful if you are using it, when derivation of dipole moment terms, dipole terms if you are getting, that time don't use P. Point symbol you can take A, B, C like that. And the electric field is and the distance is r. The charge you are bringing from infinity to this point. The charge you are moving is Q naught. If you are moving this by small distance, we are imagining that if you move by small distance, that is equal to delta and dr we can take, and distance is nothing but equal to dr, and you are moving against the electric field. Against the electric field is right side from source charge, and charge you are moving is opposite direction. And for this small distance, potential difference it has a dV or delta. V is the potential at a single point. Like that expression we need to find out. dr is a small displacement. You can take it as delta also. So small that negligible value of the observation of the electric field we can find. So imagine electric field is constant in this small portion. E is constant, and we are moving the Q naught charge. It is also called charge. Plus one coulomb. Right? Moving against the electric field. dV can take potential difference of delta. Potential difference for small displacement, for small distance again. And we are taking the work done for the small distances, for the small potential difference. So dV means you are taking means dW value. Delta V you are taking means delta W value. Charge Q naught is equals to plus 1 coulomb is moved by small distance. You take as a certain point. dr opposed to electric fields in a direction opposed to electric fields. Opposite to electric fields means against repulsion. Here also called as against repulsion. Electric means against repulsion. Then work done. Charge Q naught is moved by small distance dr in a direction opposed to electric field against repulsion, where potential difference is dV. That means for small distance, the potential difference is nothing but dV. Therefore, work done. That's potential difference only. Potential difference dV equal to dW by Q naught. For the small distance, potential difference dV is equals to dW by Q naught. What is work equal to? Work is nothing but equal to force into displacement. Work is nothing but equal to force into displacement. F dot dr vector quantity relation taken by Q naught. And even in your textbook, dot is missing here. That's the dot product. Okay, but the testing, some mistakes are there. Printing mistakes in the textbook. You have to be careful. Bar vector relation also, vector symbols also missing in the textbook. F dot dr. F equal to what? The charge, force acting on the charge. F equal to Q naught E. We can also give this as Q naught into E dot dr also we can give by Q naught. This Q naught cancels because one group also you don't get right. But electric field E dot dr is nothing but equal to, which can take as E into dr into cos 180. Cos 180 is my minus 1, which is nothing but equal to dV becomes equal to E into dr minus. Is a relationship, and we can take this relation for the expression of electric field also. But take the integration. Potential we want is integration. What is E at this place? E is equals to source charge by 4 pi epsilon distance square r square is the relationship. Electric field. The distance r is this value. Substitute the values there. Therefore, dV is equals to minus E is nothing but equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon into r square into dr. We want not dV but we want potential V. Then you have to go for integration. One more thing. That the relation between E and V is required again. It is part of the relation I will do again. But the relation between E and V relationship. You have to go for integration of this. So total potential point V is equals to integration of dV differentiation minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into integration of dr by r square. And the r values are changing from r1 initial values equal to, we are bringing from infinity to the given point P. So R1 to R2 is nothing but equal to R. Move from small distance, not this much is this. That means you can take here, if the charge is moved from V, if you want, we have to take the charge moved from infinity to the given point. V is potential at the given point when charge